Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to be looking at AT&T Fiber. So if you don't know what internet is, it is basically fiber optic. So it is basically a faster way to transmit data to your internet. So before, if you didn't have fiber, the wire actually uses thin strands of plastic to transfer the signals. However, for fiber, they use thin strands of glass, which transmits data as pulses of light, which is much faster than the standard one. So, is AT&T Fiber worth it? Since if you're planning to upgrade, it is quite expensive. However, I found a post here on Reddit which asks, how is AT&T Fiber? Is it worth it? So one user said, it is the best option you have. Fiber is going to be better than cable, copper DSL, or any 5G satellite-based home internet solutions. So one said it's nothing better than fiber. And one user said, I've had it since October of 2021. Since October of 2021, it's been advertised. It is sheer perfection. For me, it is. No slowdowns, no outages, nothing. So I've been a 1 gig customer since 2013, now a 2 gig customer. There's nothing better unless you can earn Cali, where some people can get 10G fiber at the home. So all of these are subjective. Internet is subjective. It depends on where you are in the city or your location. Since some areas will be slower than others, so if you're planning to get fiber for your home or AT&T or any distributor for that matter, any internet service, you should do some research before you upgrade to that sort of internet. Since for example, you are in an area with a lot of cables, your internet may be fast for some time, but will slow down as the years go by. Since a lot of cables will be put in that area, which will share your internet connection. So yeah, before upgrading, you should do some research. And yeah, that is it. That is my review on the AT&T Fiber. So if you want to really get the internet upgrade, it is worth it. So if you have the money, you should go for it. And that is it. That is my review. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.